From the streets to the stars. Elena's dream of an education was collapsing. She was a brilliant student, but she could no longer afford the tuition.
Rent's late, Elena. 3 weeks. I'm not a charity.
Please, I just got sick. I lost my job. I just need 1 more week.
You're out. Now.
Evicted and alone, Elena's life spiraled. She had no home, no money, and no one to turn to. This was rock bottom. In the darkness of the streets, her life took an even more terrifying turn. She fell into addiction, a desperate escape from the unbearable pain and fear.
You're safe now. What's your name, honey?
Elena,
It's nice to meet you, Elena. Welcome back.
I can't.
It's all right, Elena. Take your time. We're here for you.
My barista didn't show. On a Tuesday. I've got a full diner and no one on coffee.
I can do it. I used to be a barista. Oh, for goodness sake.
It's a cup. Don't be slow.
Night after night, Elena stayed late, practicing. Her old gift was still there, buried under the trauma. With every cup, her hands grew steadier and her focus returned. After a year, she bought a small, second-hand coffee cart. She named it Grounded, a reminder of where she had been and how she would stay. But the world was not done testing her. One night, her cart was destroyed. It felt like all her progress, all her hope, was gone in an instant. But this time, she was not alone. With her employee Leo by her side, she rebuilt. That act of vandalism became a turning point. From a broken cart, a real business was born. And it grew. Her new cafes weren't just about coffee. They were about second chances. She made it her mission to hire others who were trying to rebuild their lives, just like her.
They say you should be afraid of hitting rock bottom, but rock bottom is not a grave. It is a foundation. It's the solid ground you get to build on when everything else is gone.
Elena's story became a symbol of resilience. She proved that your past does not have to define your future, and that even from the darkest alley, you can find your way to the brightest stage.
Thank you all for coming. It means the world to me.
Time for your vocabulary glow up. Let's review the 5 key words from Elena's story. Number 1, rock bottom. What does rock bottom mean? A, a high point in life. B, the lowest possible point. The answer is B, the lowest possible point. Number 2, resilience. What is resilience? A, the ability to recover from difficulty. B, the fear of trying again. The answer is A, the ability to recover quickly from difficulties. Number 3, sober. If you are sober, you are A, not affected by drugs or alcohol. B, feeling very sad or tired. The answer is A, not affected by drugs or alcohol. Number 4, entrepreneur. What is an entrepreneur? A, a person who works for a large company. B, a person who starts their own business. The answer is B, a person who starts their own business. Number 5, advocate. An advocate is A, a public supporter of a cause. B, a judge in a courtroom. The answer is A, a public supporter of a cause.
Thank you for watching. Leo Mia Lingo.